So you want to learn how to upgrade your Clicxads account? Well, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step exactly how you can go about getting that done. And also, I'm going to be giving away $100 worth of Bitcoin here on this video. So you definitely want to stick with me all the way through this video so you don't miss anything. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and minimize my camera and we're gonna jump right into today's content. All right, so now you can see we are inside of the Clicxads back office. So now I'm gonna get into the step-by-step process of showing you how to upgrade your account so you can continue using the Clicxads services. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go up here to where it says upgrade. Okay, now this is assuming that you already have what you want to upgrade, whatever membership that you actually want to upgrade to, you have the amount that you're going to need inside of your purchase balance. So as you can see here, you can see I have a certain amount in my purchase balance. So if we go over here to Prev.com, right, this is going to allow me to see the current Bitcoin price, which is at $11,610. And what we're going to do is we're basically going to copy this. And we're going to put this in here into the BTC. Now you can see it's $764 in the purchase balance. So what I'm going to do to upgrade my account is I'm going to go over here to where it says upgrade. All right, so what it's going to do is it's going to bring me over to the page where it shows me all the memberships that I can actually be a part of. So you can see the first one that you see right off the bat is professional 30 days. Okay, and then that will be the price that you would pay. And then if we hit the arrow here, you can see there's multiple different ones. So there's professional 30, pretty much from 30 days all the way out to 360 days. All right, so if you go with 30, after 30 days, then you'll basically, it'll kind of be like, depending on you, right? It won't be like a continuing, like a monthly thing, unless of course you actually want to continue, okay? So it'll be 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, and 360 days. And then you got the enterprise, same thing, 30 all the way out to 360. Now you may just notice like a price variation between all of the ones that I'm going over. And then you got VIP. Now me personally, anytime that I do the get one of the memberships, I always go VIP, and I'll talk a little bit about why I actually go VIP a little bit later here in this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go with the VIP 90 days. Okay, so boom, I'm gonna go with that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my purchase balance to make that purchase. So I'm going to hit pay via purchase balance. So there it is. Are you sure you want to upgrade to 0.03231? Confirm. All right, your account has been successfully upgraded. You will be redirected in seconds. So it just redirected me. Okay, so pretty much from what I'll do from here, I'll hit summary. And then when I go inside here and I go to profile, you're going to see it says membership VIP. Okay, and then it tells me when that will actually expire. Okay, so at this point, I will be VIP. Now, the thing about VIP, right, let me go ahead and go back into the account. All right, so VIP definitely has some perks, that comes along with it. One of the biggest things for me is when I'm watching ads and I'm earning BTC from it, or I'm watching YouTube videos and I'm earning BTC, or I'm watching PTC ads, or completing like, or doing offers for other people. I don't like to, I like to just, watch one ad and that'll be it, right? Just watch one ad and then that'll be good for the entire rest of the day. All right, so basically, anytime that you're earning, right, anytime you're doing any of those tasks, so like these tasks over here, like when I click the earning tab, okay, so you got CPA GPT offers. So this is you doing something for someone else, some of the users inside of Clicxads, and they're actually going to pay you Bitcoin to do simple tasks for them, right? So that's one way that you can actually earn. The other way is PTC ads. So you just basically watch PTC ads that users are putting up, and then you have the ability to earn from that. Also, watching YouTube videos, you actually have the ability to actually earn from that. right? And then of course, you know, depending on the membership level you have, of course you'll earn more, you know, depending on, you know, what level that you're actually at. So you can see I'm at the VIP level now, so I would actually obviously earn more than someone who was a little bit lower down in the plan. All right, so then you got traffic grid. So that's another way that you can actually earn, okay? So as far as the different ways that you can earn, of course, the percentages is what pretty much makes the difference between, you know, between all the memberships that you actually seen, all right? So that is how you actually upgrade your Clicxads account. I don't want to make this video that long. I just want to kind of show you exactly how you can go about doing that, especially for the people who are, you know, who have locked arms with me and we're kind of building this thing out. This video will definitely be helpful for you if you've been trying to learn how to, you know, how to upgrade your account, because I did get a couple of questions. So that is how you actually upgrade your Clicxads account. Now, if you're watching this from the, you know, from the outside in, and you've been, you know, following my channel, you've been seeing some of the Clicxads videos, and maybe you have a little bit interest in this, let me just kind of give you a quick rundown. Basically, Clicxads is a cryptocurrency advertising platform. That's the sole purpose of Clicxads, the sole purpose. Yes, you can earn from watching YouTube videos. You can earn from doing simple tasks from other people. You can earn from doing you can earn from the PTC, and also you do have the opportunity to earn from the matrix. So all of that stuff is great. You can earn, you know, a bunch of money, and that's not a guarantee to say that you will, but you do have the opportunity to, for the people who actually, you know, move and take action on all of the different ways that you can actually earn. But once again, the sole purpose is it a cryptocurrency advertising platform. You can literally use this platform to enhance your social media. I use their services. There's many other people that use their services, and as you can see here, if we go to the home page, I want to show you, they have definitely grown. Okay, so you can see the total amount of members is 33,000 members. Total earned, as you can see what that is in Bitcoin. So if we go over here to Prev.com, you can see 1.5 million. Okay, so you can see there has been, like I said, you do have the ability to earn. Of course, this is total earn. And then members that are actually online right now, there's actually 300 members online at the time that I'm recording this. And then total paid out, okay? So you can see it's a platform that will allow you to advertise your services. As you can see here, advertising, earn with Facebook, PTC, Bitcoins, CPA, GPA, GPT networks, and publishers and influencers. So in essence, this will help you enhance the way you move on social media. All right, so the question that I'm going to be asking you, so let me look real quickly in my phone. I already put the question in there. Once I get the question, I'm gonna go ahead and say the question, and then what I want you guys to do is I want you to leave a comment down below with the correct answer. Now the way that I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna pick 2 random winners. That's it. So even if we got, you know, people coming down, I'm literally gonna use my random picker. I'm gonna pick 2 winners. Remember I said I'm giving away $100 worth of Bitcoin. 2 people will get the opportunity to actually do that. So the question that we're gonna ask you is, what is the total coin supply of Bitcoin? Once again, what is the total coin supply of Bitcoin? That's the question. Go ahead and leave your answer down below, and I will use my random comment picker. Whoever the winners are, I will send you the Bitcoin, and then the next time I do a video, probably more related to Clicxads, I will actually announce the winners, or I may end up doing it before. Just stay on, you know, stay tuned, see what's gonna happen. All right, so with that being said, hopefully you got something from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful or valuable. And if you want to get started with Clicxads today, go ahead and use the first link in the description down below. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.